know where the hardest part of the human body is? It is our entrusted teeth. These days, more folks are opting for advanced orthodontic tech, like invisible braces, crafted from cutting-edge polymer materials and using 3D printing. Dentists customize plans for each patient, providing personalized clear braces to subtly enhance their appearance. In the production of invisible braces, precision cutting of the preformed braces is vital for snug fit with the wearer's gums. Traditional methods using tools and manual grinding can be messy, creating waste, noise pollution, and rough cutting edges. HGTECH self-developed laser cutting machine for invisible braces using laser technology to achieve smooth cutting edges, taking only 10 to 20 seconds for each brace. This eco-friendly process eliminates tool waste and pollution, with automatic planning of cutting paths based on product IDs. Laser parameters adjust in real time, ensuring accurate cutting and high-quality results. Laser technology, the ideal choice for invisible brace cutting.